Good morning to everyone. This is the sum in front of your screen. We will be doing now Amit Traders and Vijay Brothers to amalgamate on the following terms and conditions on 1st April 2013 when their balance sheets were as follows. Liabilities, the asset and Amit Traders, Sumit Brothers columns are there. Amit Traders, the partners are Amit and Anil, 26,400, 33,600. And in Sumit Brothers, it is Sumit and Sunil, 72,300 and 42,200. Then we have creditors and bank loan. In the asset side, building is there only in Amit Traders, furniture, investment is there only in Sumit Brothers, stock, debtors, cash at bank. Terms of amalgamation. In case of Amit Traders, goodwill was valued at rupees 20,000. Value of goodwill is given. Amit took over the bank loan. So who is taking the bank loan? Partner Amit is taking the bank loan. So will this bank loan come in the PC? Tell me. Will the bank loan come in the PC? Amit is taking over the bank loan. So will it come in the purchase consideration if the partner is taking over a liability? No, this liability will not come in the PC because all the assets and liabilities taken over by the new firm will only come in the purchase consideration. So this will not come. Building was taken to be worth 60,000. New value of building is given. Stock to be valued at 12,600. This is for Amit Traders. Amit Traders stock will be 12,600. Provision for debtors to be created at 5% on debtors. So we will have to create the 5% RDD on debtors for Amit Traders. Now let us discuss for Sumit Brothers. Goodwill value is given 30,000. Investment was taken over by the new firm at 30,000. Investment new value is given. Stock to be valued 32,000. New value is given. Provision for doubtful debts to be created at 5% on debtor. This is same for Amit and Sumit. We will be creating debtors at 5%. We will be creating RDD at reserve for doubtful debts at 5% on debtors. It was further decided that the total capital of the new firm shall be 2 lakh. See, the new capital is given like the last sum. In the last sum also, new capital of, total capital of the new firm was given. So here also the total capital of the new firm after amalgamation firm, where there will be 4 partners, Amit, Anil, Sumit and Sunil. That capital has been given. So we will have to prepare new partners capital account. Whenever new firms, amalgamated firms, capital is given, we will have to prepare new partners capital account. So the new capital is 2 lakh and the capital of each partner shall be in profit sharing proportion, that is 1:1:3:3. The difference to be transferred to the current account. In the last sum, the difference was transferred to cash bank. Whatever difference was there, if the difference is greater amount than the capital earlier there in the business, if it is greater, it will be given back. The partners can withdraw the excess cash. If there is a deficit cash in the business, they can contribute that amount from their home. तो कैश बैंक हमने लास्ट सम में देखा था कि जो भी डिफरेंस था न्यू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में हमने कैश में एडजस्ट किया था, कैश बैंक में. सो इफ एनीथिंग इज एक्स्ट्रा कैन बी टेकन ओवर बाय द पार्टनर्स टू देयर होम. If they have to pay anything to the business, they will get cash from their home. But here, whatever difference is there will be transferred to the current account. Means fixed capital method. क्या होगा, जो भी डिफरेंस होगा वो पार्टनर्स के करंट अकाउंट में बताएंगे। वॉट एवर ये न्यू बैलेंस शीट में जो भी डिफरेंस होगा पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल में, दैट विल बी शोन टू देयर करंट अकाउंट, शुड बी शोन to their current account. You are required to show necessary ledger accounts in the books of Amit Trader and Sumit Brothers and prepare new balance sheet and prepare balance sheet of new firm after amalgamation. So our first step is all asset purchase consideration, all assets taken over by new firm in revised or book value. So what is the first asset given? What is the first asset given? Let us see. Building, new value of building is 60,000. So we'll write down building. Building. It is there only in Amit Traders. So we'll write 60,000 new value is given. Not there in Sumit Brothers. And the total will come to 60,000. After building, what we have, the old value was 25, but the new value given is 60,000. Furniture, no information relating to the new value, means we will take the old value 11,500 and 27,000. Furniture, we will take the old value. What is the old value? 11,500 and 27,000. Because new value is not given, we will take the book value. The total is coming to 38,500. Very good. Which is the next asset given? Investment. But investment is there only in Sumit Brothers. New value is given. What is the new value given for investment? Old value was 22,500. New value given is, you can see how much is the new value given? 30,000. So we will write investment, not in Amit Traders, only in Sumit Brothers, 30,000. So the total will also be 30,000. Now after that, what we have? We have stock after investment. We have stock. Stock new value is given. So we will take the new value. What is the new value of stock? For Amit, it is 12,600. For Sumit, it is 32,000. Are both of them? How much you will get? 44,600. Very good. So next, what we have after stock, we have debtors which has 5% RDD. So what we will do, we'll take debtors and we will calculate 5% RDD. 32, debtor is 32,000 of Amit Traders. So 32,000 में 5% RDD कितना हो जाएगा? 1,600. So 32,000 में से 1,600 if we minus, how much amount we will get? 3,400. Can write in bracket less RDD. फिर 62,000 ऑल्सो 5% RDD कितना होता है? 3,100. सो 62,000 में से 3,100 माइनस करो, हाउ मच यू विल गेट? 58 900. So are both of them, how much you will get? 3400 plus 58 900. We will get 89 300. Correct, na? Then what we have? Then we have cash at bank. New, there is no anything which the partners will be paying out of this cash. Nothing like that. So book value we will take what is given. Cash at bank 11,400 21,900. Twenty-one 900. Take the total, how much you are getting? 33 300. Now, is there any other asset that is left out? Is there any other asset which we have not taken over, as of now not recorded? जितने assets से सब लिख लिया क्या? कोई बच गया है? कोई asset we have not recorded? See in the first line, goodwill new value is given 20 and 30,000. So what is left out? Goodwill 20,000 and 30,000, which is coming to 50,000. So now take the total. Now we can take the total. We have included all the assets. Total of A, and from this we will less B. B, all liabilities, we can say external liabilities taken over by new firm in revised or book value. So what external liability we have here? Capital balance. Apart from capital balance, we have creditors and bank loan. And here we know bank loan is not taken over by new firm. So only creditors is there 21,500 and 51,500. So we have only creditors. Bank loan will be taken by Amit, and it is there in only one company, one firm, 21,500 and 51,500. 51,500. Total is coming to 73,000. Only one item is there. So total will be the same. Total will be the same. 73,000. Now find out the total here. Find out the total here, how much it is coming. Are you getting 145,900? Are you getting 145,900? And here 199,800. Is it correct? And the total 345,700. What is the purchase consideration coming? Purchase consideration is A minus B, which is coming to how much? 124 400, 145 900 minus 21 400, 199 800 minus 51 500 is giving me 148 300. Is it coming like this to everyone? Is this answer coming? So what will be the total? 124,400 plus 148,300, which will be able total 272,700. So our PC is done. Now what we will do after our first step, after calculating PC, we will close the old firm books. There is AN Company and CN Company will be what is the name? Is it AN Company? It is Amit Traders and Sumit Brothers. It is Amit Traders and Sumit Brothers. So Amit Traders and Sumit Brothers. So now what will be our first step? What will be our first step to transfer all the assets to debit side of realization account? First step is to transfer all the assets to debit side of realization. So what we will do, we will transfer all the assets. At one step, we will transfer all the asset to various assets. Yes, क्या किया पहले स्टेप में सब assets को ट्रांसफर किया डेबिट साइड ऑफ रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट एंड एट बैलेंस शीट वैल्यू which value we take at realization account, we take balance sheet value, and in the credit side we will transfer various liabilities, to be specific, external liabilities. So what we have two external liability, creditor and bank loan. Creditor and we cannot copy paste here, so we'll have to write creditors and bank loan. Creditors, bank loan. What is the amount? Amount is 21,500 and 51,500, and bank loan is how much? 12,000. So we're only in one business. So 12,000. Here it is nil. This is also done. Now our next step is to record PC. PC will be income, but we will be receiving in future. Who will be paying us? New firm. We can write PC due. Sorry. By new firm PC due. So what is the amount of PC? As we know, the amount of PC is 124,400 and 148,300. Now we are preparing new firm account also. So buy new firm becomes to realization. Our next step, what is the amount? 124,400, 148,300. This is done. First to prepare PC, then to transfer all the assets in debit side of realization, transfer all external liabilities to credit side, PC record करना, income है credit side में उसका opposite effect देना. Now what we will do, capital, let us suppose the capital balance, capital being liability, has credit balance. Post everyone's capital, 26,400, 33,600. So we'll write 26,400, 33,600. Is it correct? Once again, cross check. 26,400, 33,600. Correct? Absolutely correct. 72,300, 42,200. 72,300, 72,300 and what is the other one? Let me check again. Sunil's, how much it is? 72,300, 42,200. So this is 42,200. 42,200. There is no reserves. Means reserve we need not to divide according to profit sharing ratio. And here profit sharing ratio is there. Is the profit sharing ratio given? Profit sharing ratio given. We have read the full question. Have we seen the profit sharing ratio? Old profit sharing ratio. Is old profit sharing ratio given in the question? Not given means they were equal profit sharing partners, but new ratio is given. सो जो कैपिटल है न्यू कैपिटल उसको ये रेशो में डिवाइड करेंगे, बट प्रॉफिट लॉस सब देखने के लिए देर इज नो प्रॉफिट, ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो इज नॉट देयर. सो जो ओल्ड बुक्स में बुक्स क्लोज करते वक्त वी विल कंसिडर देम एज इक्वल पार्टनर्स. सो नाउ इज देयर एनी असेट नॉट टेकन ओवर बाय न्यू फर्म? In the PC, is there any asset not taken over? In the PC हमने देखा हमने सब assets को लिया. Is there any liability not taken over by the new firm? Is there any liability not taken over by the new firm? Yes. Amit took over bank loan. Bank loan is not taken over. So Amit ने लिया है तो अमित के कैपिटल में जाएगा. If Amit has not taken the Amit has, see what has happened. Amit has taken over the bank loan. So जरा देखो where is bank loan? Bank loan is here. तो उसको cancel करते वक्त we have to show in the opposite side to Amit's capital account, to Amit's capital account. Bank loan is of 12,000. So we will show here. Now, apart from that, all other external liability has been taken over. Only creditor is left that has been taken over by the new firm. So now we will close this book. We will close this book. Take the total, how much it is coming? 21,500, 12,124,400. How much total we are getting? 157,900. 157,900. Same way, 51,500 and 148,300. We are getting 199,800. So same, we have to check whether what is the total of the debit side. What is the total of the debit side? Just for see what total you are getting in the debit side. Take the total and see which side is heavy. 25,000 plus 11,500 plus 13,600 plus 32,000 plus 11,400 plus 12,000. 1,05,500. That means credit is heavy. Debit is only 1,05,500 and credit is 157,900. Same way for Sumit Brothers, total is coming to how much? 1,66,000. Total is coming to 166,000. And here also the total of the credit is heavy. So what is it? It is profit that will be divided to partners capital account. Who are the partners? Amit, Anil, Sumit and Sunil. So this is the profit. 1 minute before we pass this entry. Amit's capital का opposite effect did we give to Amit's capital account? Here will become by realization. And Amit में what will come? 12,000. And here we can, if we want, we can write here bank loan. So now what is the profit? It will be equal partners. So what is the profit here? What is the profit here? 52,400, correct? What is the profit here? 166,000 199,800 minus 166,000. We are getting 38,800. This is the profit here. Now divide half equal partners. All are equal partners because profit sharing ratio is not given. Equally divide करो profit को दो लोगों में. So 52,400 divide by 2. 52,400 divide by 2. 26,200. 26,200. सेम वे यहाँ पे 33,800 divide by 2. 33,800 divide by 2. 16,900. 16,900. So we have got the profit. Now profit has been divided. Opposite effect, two partners will become by realization. What is the profit? 26,200. 26,200. And here 16,900. 16,900. Close this partners capital account now. Close the partners capital account. How much you are getting? Close the partners capital account. 26,400 plus 12,000 plus 26,200. We are getting 64,600, correct? Here how much you are getting? 59,800. Is it correct? Here how much you are getting? 89,200 and 59,100. Is it correct, everyone? So same we copy here also. And the balance we will say two new firm balancing figure. So same we will here also we will write because there is nothing to minus. So same we will get. So two new firm becomes by partners capital account. What are the name of the partner? Amit, Anil, Sumit and Sunil. So what profits we have got? Capital. Opening capital इसे treat करेंगे because new capital given in the question. New capital given in the question. 2 lakh will be the new capital. जो भी difference है will be transferred to the current account. So let us see whether this is tallying. 124,400, 148,300. This is tallying. New firm is tallying. See whether new firm is tallying. Now we will go to the in the books of new firm, न्यू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. यहाँ पे हमारे पास ऑलरेडी कैपिटल का ओपनिंग बैलेंस है. कैपिटल मीन्स लाइबिलिटी, लाइबिलिटी हैज अ क्रेडिट ओपनिंग बैलेंस, बाय बैलेंस बॉट डाउन 64,600. कहाँ से मिला? यहाँ से मिला. ओपनिंग कैपिटल. जब भी न्यू कैपिटल दिया रहेगा, that time we will have to prepare this new partners capital account. Whenever new capital is given in the question, we will have to prepare new partners capital account. और new firm का जो भी बैलेंस आता है, that is the opening capital and closing capital to balance carried down. लाइबिलिटी को हमेशा क्लोजिंग बैलेंस डेबिट साइड में होता है, बिकॉज क्लोजिंग बैलेंस इज ऑलवेज शोन इन द ऑपोजिट साइड. डू यू नो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस इज ऑलवेज शोन इन द ऑपोजिट साइड. सी द न्यू फर्म में जो भी कैपिटल आया वो हम लोग कहाँ पे बताएंगे? वो हम लोग न्यू पार्टनर्स इन द बुक्स ऑफ न्यू फर्म we will show it as opening capital. Why? Because the new capital is given in the question. The new capital of the total capital of the new firm is going to be rupees 2 lakhs. That is given in the question. In the last sum also we have done the same like situation. The new capital was given in the last sum also. So therefore यहाँ पे new firm का जो बैलेंस मिलता है उसको हम यहाँ पे हम एक और अकाउंट प्रिपेयर करते हैं whenever new capital is given, that is new partners capital account. and जो भी partners capital balancing figure आया था new firm का, that we will show here. and the new capital is already given 2 lakh. ये 2 lakh is the new capital. This 2 lakh is the new capital which has to be divided among Amit, Anil, Sumit and Sunil. What is the capital? It is 2 lakh. What is the capital? Total capital is 2 lakh. What is the total capital? It is 2 lakh. So यहाँ पे we will write 2 lakh. Here also we know 2 lakh. So total capital is 2 lakh. इसको चारों में divide कैसे करें? New ratio is given in the question 1:1:3:3. New capital is how much? 1:1:3:3. New capital is 1:1:3:3. Means 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 5 plus 3 8. So 1/8, 1/8, 3/8, 3/8. So how much you are getting? 25,000, 25,000, 75,000, 75,000. So we got the capital. क्लोजिंग कैपिटल क्या होगा जो फिक्स्ड रहने वाला है? इट इज अमित एंड अनिल का 25,000, सुमित एंड सुनील का 75,000. दिस वाज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. नाउ व्हाटएवर विल बी द बैलेंसिंग फिगर, जो भी बैलेंसिंग फिगर रहेगा वो किस में ट्रांसफर करने बोला है? Whatever will be the balancing figure, see the difference to be transferred to the current account of the respective partners. जो भी बैलेंस आएगा उसको कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करना है, जो भी डिफरेंस आएगा विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू द current accounts, will be transferred to the current account. In the previous sum the difference was transferred to the cash account. जो भी डिफरेंस आ रहा था वो कैश बैंक अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर किया था। मतलब जो भी पैसा अगर पार्टनर ने एक्स्ट्रा दिया है तो ऊपर का पैसा आई विल टेक होम। अगर पार्टनर ने बिजनेस को कम पैसा दिया है, उसे उसका नया कैपिटल अगर ज्यादा है तो वो घर से पैसा लाएगा। तो वो हमने लास्ट सम में किया था। एक और वैरायटी है जिसमें हम क्या करते, न्यू पार्टनर में जो भी बैलेंस आता है, विच साइड इज हैवी, this is heavy, this is heavy, this is heavy, 69, 89, 200 and यहाँ पे 75,000 is heavy. So यहाँ पे कौन सा क्रेडिट, तीन जगह में क्रेडिट हैवी है तो ये आ जाएगा। तीन जगह में क्रेडिट साइड हैवी है एंड सुनील का डेबिट हैवी है तो वो लिखा। तो जो भी बैलेंस आएगा टू करंट अकाउंट, ये क्या है, बैलेंसिंग फिगर। सेम वे यहाँ पे बैलेंस आएगा तो बाय करंट अकाउंट बैलेंसिंग फिगर। यू ऑल नो टू टेक द बैलेंस। कैसे बैलेंस करते आता है, 64,600 माइनस 25,000 करो। 64,600 माइनस 25,000, यहाँ बैलेंस आया 39,600। यहाँ पे कितना बैलेंस आया, 59,800 माइनस 25,000, 34,800। यहाँ कितना बैलेंस आया, 89,200 माइनस 75,000, 14,400। यहाँ पे तो डेबिट ज़्यादा है तो इधर जो भी बैलेंस आएगा डायरेक्टली, यहाँ पे तो नहीं आएगा कोई बैलेंस क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बैलेंस डेबिट साइड में इट हैज़ कम। तो यहाँ पे करो डिफरेंस, व्हाट बैलेंस यू आर गेटिंग, व्हाट बैलेंस यू आर गेटिंग, 75,000 minus 59,100, we are getting 15,900. So current account का balance मिल गया। Now what we will do, we will go to the balance sheet. We will write partners capital account. Who all partner are there? Amit, Anil, सुमित, सुनील। क्या बैलेंस आया कैपिटल का, 25,000, 25,000, 75,000 एंड 75,000। जो भी एक्स्ट्रा था वो करंट अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर हो गया है। इनका न्यू कैपिटल इज ओनली 25,000 बट उनका पहले से बिजनेस में 64,600 है। तो जो एक्स्ट्रा है वो करंट अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर हो गया है। सी, ये लोग घर पे भी लेके जा सकते थे पर इतना कैश बैलेंस है ही नहीं बिजनेस में। एंड दे हैव टोल्ड इन द क्वेश्चन कि जो भी बैलेंस आएगा will be transferred to the current account. It is told already in the question. See here, look in the question. They have already told difference to be transferred to the current account. ऐसा क्यों नॉर्मली बोला गया, बिकॉज कैश बैंक देखो, न्यू फर्म के पास कितना कैश है, न्यू फर्म के पास हाउ मच कैश इज दैट, पीसी में देखो ओनली 33,300। इतना सारा पैसा नहीं पे कर सकता था वैसे भी। सो इसके बाद एक और बैलेंस ट्रांसफर करते हैं. देखो करंट अकाउंट, इफ इट्स हियर in the credit side, sorry, if current account is there in the debit side to current account, then it's a credit balance, क्योंकि opposite balance हमेशा current, तो वो current account इधर आएगा. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. कौन से पार्टनर का है? अमित, अनिल, ये बिजनेस को पैसा वापस करना है. इतना ये तीनों पार्टनर ने एक्स्ट्रा पैसा कंट्रीब्यूट किया है जितना उनका अमाउंट है कैपिटल का. सी, अमित का 64,600 बिजनेस में था, बट उसको अभी सिर्फ 25,000 का कैपिटल रखना है. अनिल का 59,800 बिजनेस में था, उसको भी सिर्फ 25,000 रखना है. सुमित का 89,200 वॉज इन बिजनेस, बट उसको भी सिर्फ 75,000 एज कैपिटल रखना है. ऊपर का पैसा उनको पे कर देना चाहिए था, बट बिजनेस में उतना कैश नहीं है. एंड रहता तो भी, बिकॉज दे हैव टोल्ड इन द क्वेश्चन डिफरेंस ट्रांसफर टू करंट अकाउंट, दे हैव टोल्ड जो भी पार्टनर्स कैपिटल का डिफरेंस होगा ट्रांसफर टू करंट अकाउंट, तो हमने वही किया, करंट अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर किया. 39,600, 34,800 and 14,200. Now एक और जगह पे there is current account. So whose current account it is? Sumit's current account. How much it is? सुमित है क्या? सुनील है. आई एम सॉरी, इट इज सुनील. Sunil's current account 15,900. अभी बाकी के असेट्स और लाइबिलिटी के लिए क्या करें? ये लिखने के बाद गो टू द पीसी. These all assets has been taken over by the new firm. So उसको कॉपी करो in the new balance sheet. And also copy the amounts. And go to the liability. PC में which liability is there? Copy. Total is 73,000. Take the total, how much it is coming? Is it coming 3,61,600? 3,61,600. With this, our balance sheet is tallying and our sum is done. Thank you very much, everyone.